Hello everyone. Welcome once again for the monthly news updates from the campus of the largest private university in West Bengal. In contradiction to the popular adjective of being the cruelest month, April in Brainware University brings with it a lot of happenings and happy memories. Brainware University celebrates a milestone year as over 1,300 students proudly cross the stage, marking their graduation with degrees ranging from undergraduate to doctoral, alongside coveted diploma certifications and the 5th annual convocation ceremony. In another significant event, US Consul General Melinda Pavek visited Brainware University to interact with the students, where she discussed about the prospects and opportunities of studying abroad. Honorable Chancellor Falguni Mukhopadhyay extended a warm welcome to Melinda Pavek and her team. Brainware lit up with nostalgic charm as it marked its 34th Foundation Day, Uttoron, on Poila Boishakh. Falguni Mukhopadhyay, the visionary behind Brainware and the founder-chancellor of Brainware University, painted a vivid picture of our journey, weaving together cherished memories and cultural vibrance. In the academic arena, the Department of Agriculture hosted a groundbreaking national seminar on agri-skills towards nutritional security and sustainability, where more than 225 students and scholars participated from various prestigious institutions including UBKV, BCKV, SBU and others. In another engaging seminar involving Partho De, the man who lived with skeletons, organized by the Department of Psychology, eminent mental health professionals gathered to decode the infamous Robinson Street skeleton case and raised a thought-provoking question: is our society sensitive enough to deal with mental health challenges? In a unique initiative during this hot, sultry summer, Brainware University took a small step to beat the heat with action and not complaints. A tree plantation program was organized inside the campus of the university, which was led by our Honorable Chancellor Falguni Mukhopadhyay. Committed to its motto that says, "We make careers," Brainware University is constantly seeking for opportunities to enhance the industry-academia interface. Recently, the inking of some memorable MOUs with Airport Authorities of India, Dev Kamal Healthcare and Sushruth Eye Foundation and Research Center was organized. The best combination of academics and industry has helped our students to bag prestigious internships in India and abroad with reputed companies like Cross and Kinsman Law Firm in Kansas City, USA, Hindustan Unilever, The Telegraph, IIFON, Airport Authorities of India, and more. In other placement-related news, India's second-largest pharmacy chain, MedPlus, conducted an on-campus drive to recruit talented bachelor's and diploma in pharmacy students. In an incredible achievement, 500-plus students have already been placed in 2024. Some of the placement highlights last month include recruitment in reputed companies like Deloitte, Simpress, MedPlus Health, Auto High-Tech, Air Solution Consultancy, and others. Our students are the perfect embodiment of Roman satyrist Juvenal's quote, "A sound mind in a sound body." The achievements of our students extend far beyond the classrooms into the sporting arena as well as the academic platforms side by side. Our MCA student Shoykot Moinan has received the Red Hat Engineer certification and recognition as Certified Ethical Hacker from the EC Council. In another stellar achievement, Allied Health Science student Prathamesh Vijay secured 3rd position in the oral presentation at an international conference. The Allied Health Science students are on fire as they clinched the top 3 positions along with cash prizes for paper and poster presentations at HealthCon 2024 and JU, organized by IMS Kolkata. Another academic achievement came with pharmacy student Roger Ghosh, who secured the 3rd place at the prestigious National Conference on Healthcare Renaissance at DMBH Institute of Medical Science. In sports-related achievement, CST student Shrestha Dhar bagged 2 gold medals at the All India Shooter Cup. Brainwave University's commitment towards building a better society extends beyond the 4 walls of the classrooms. In a unique initiative, our NSS volunteers have made hearts smile by distributing clothes to those in need. In another heartwarming initiative, the NSS volunteers were involved in an activity of quenching thirst and fueling hope during the scorching summer days. In a related news, the Department of Law joins hands with Swami Vivekananda State Police Academy, West Bengal, for a transformative training session where our esteemed professors delve into Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, criminal laws, forensic science and more for a training session with DSPs and CADE SIs statewide. Now, let us take a quick look at some of the important activities that took place in the campus last month. Piyu Roy, the Senior Assistant Editor of TV9 Bangla, awed the audience at the seminar on the landscape of television reporting. In yet another captivating seminar, Group Editor-in-Chief of R+, Ritubrata Bhattacharya, decoded the secrets of being a TV anchor to the real factor behind reliability in news. Dr. Abhimanyu Vishnu, founder and CEO of InnoHealth Services, focused on the keys to enhancing patient care to exploring the future of the healthcare industry. Eminent actor and filmmaker Sudeshna Roy interacted with the students at a seminar on digitization and cinema. Dr. Sanjima Pal from McGill University Health Centre, Canada, lit up the stage with her groundbreaking insights on precision oncology. Before we wrap up for this month, let us have a look into the research repertoire of this university. A collaborative effort from the Department of Agriculture saw fruition in the IIP series book titled Futuristic Trends in Social Sciences. Anil Kumar Paja from the Department of Mechanical Engineering received top honor for outstanding research at an international conference organized by Kazi Nazrul University in collaboration with NIT Durgapur. Back-to-back publications in SCI Scopus Indexed Canadian Journal of Chemical Engineering by Taylor and Francis for our Research Director, Dr. Deepshikha Datto. And that's a wrap for this month. The students who are eagerly waiting for their board results wish you all the best. And you can always opt for Brainwave University to take your career to the next level. Thank you.